Whenever we heard the term the festival in Bengal, it remains only about Durga Puja. Well, mostly. But do you know there's another festival in Bengal which is celebrated like Durga Puja, and it is a festival of light? The festival is none other than Jagadhatri Puja, and right here at Chandan Nagar, which is also known as the French colony of Bengal. You wanna see the festival? So keep watching the video. Goddess Jagadhatri is a form of Devi Durga. As per legends, after Goddess Durga killed Mahishasura, the gods started believing that because they lent their powers to the goddess, she was able to vanquish the demon. This thought filled them with arrogance. To vanquish this arrogance, Brahma appeared before them in form of a yaksha. He kept a blade of grass in front of the gods and challenged them to destroy it. The fire god Agni could not burn it. The god of air Vayu could not move it in spite of all his great powers. So the realization dawned on them that their powers are derived from the ultimate source of power, Shakti. She is the supreme goddess and the source of all powers. She holds the universe together. Jagat means the world, and Dharan, which means holds or contains. Jagadhatri means the goddess who contains the whole world. Any person who worships goddess Jagadhatri with devotion becomes completely egoless. She blesses her devotees with great powers and fearlessness. Jagadhatri standing over elephant demon indicates that to control our mind, which is frantic like an elephant, we have to assume the powers of goddess Jagadhatri. Every idol you see in this video has an elephant below the lion, but it got covered. This is an image of Jagadhatri which shows that there's an elephant below the lion. How Jagadhatri Puja started. Legend says once Raja Krishna Chandra was captured by Nawab of Murshidabad, Siraj, for defaulting taxes. When he was released from the prison, while returning by boat from Murshidabad to Nodia, he heard the sound of drums on the boat, signifying that it was the 10th or the last day of Puja. And he, a devout follower of Durga Puja, was depressed at missing the festival. Later that evening, he had a vision of goddess Durga appearing as a child. She told him to worship her in 1 month on the 9th day of the bright fortnight of the month of Kartik, and also said that this would bring the same blessings from her. Later, while discussing this incident with the family priest, he was told that this fact was the goddess Jagadhatri. Raja Krishnachandra ordered an artist to create a statue of goddess Jagadhatri, and he worshipped it with great splendor at the point of time. Later, the Diwan of Chandan Nagar, Indranarayan Chaudhary, was inspired to see the traditional Jagadhatri Puja by Raja Krishnachandra, and then he introduced the first Jagadhatri Puja in Chandan Nagar at Chaulpatti. Here in Chandan Nagar, the Jagadhatri Puja is famous for tall idols and its light works. The most important day of Jagadhatri Puja is Navami, the day before immersion, and I have arrived here on Navami. This is the largest Jagadhatri idol in Chandan Nagar. On the day of immersion, a carnival takes place, and it is says that this carnival is the second largest carnival in the world after Rio Carnival. But due to COVID, the carnival is not happening for the 2 years. Let's hope next year this carnival happens. This is the place where Jagadhatri Puja at Chandanagar was started almost 300 years ago. This is Adima of Chaulpatti. The festival was later initiated by Sarada Devi, Sri Ramakrishna's wife, who was believed to be reincarnation of goddess and still observed with high spirits in the centers of Ramakrishna mission all over the world. This is Bagh Bazar, one of the most famous puja in Chandannagar. I thought my pandal hopping was over after visiting Bagh Bazar, but on the way towards station this beautiful idol catch my eyes and I had to shoot it. And ending my journey with this laser show. So that's it for today. I enjoyed a lot here. So local people are saying that the festival is more beautiful before COVID. I don't know. Probably next time when the COVID will be gone, I will visit again. But this time I visit here, and this is the first time I came here for Jagadhatri Puja, and yes, I really loved it. So if you like this video, then please subscribe and also share. See you in the next video.